Yo, what up, with that? It's your boy LIL Pistol. I had to spill on your beat real quick, dog. Yeah, that shit, dog. Let me see how I can do this shit, kid. My nigga Adapt. Kill this beat, yo. It's your boy Pistol on the motherfucking building, nigga. Let me show how I do, kid. Yeah, yo. Life is sickening. You ever see they come around, they knife, they stuck in me. And I'm still living. You already know the hell on earth, nigga. Yeah, sunshine, I worship. You already know the villain. The criminal, son. You see the game is drilling. Niggas is looking at me young, but they the ones whipping. Come on, dog, look at me, boy. Yeah, they look at me laughing. Now they laughing at me, young, cause I'm walking and I'm living. Come on, dog, been in the hospital. Come on, son, you already know. Now I'm in the street, son, lowering choppers up. Yeah, these niggas don't know it's the freestyle unit niggas, son. I'm rapping it, boy. Yeah, I'm the evil doctor. Come on, round now, about to chop some up like again surgery. Operator doing like on the table, son. It's emergency, son. These niggas about to get them, nigga, with no mercy. Come on, dog, you see these burners, nigga. I keep two on me. Come on, John, stay forward, nigga. You already know it never empty. Come on, dog, until I shoot them. Then I refill the clip, boy, and continue to shoot them. The pistol is crazy with it, nigga. Say I'm Lucifer. I'm loony, son. You already know, nigga. Take the bitch right to the movie, son. Forget her. Come on, dog. That love shit's dead. Come on, dog. You know how I see it right there. With the burner right to your head. Cause that's what I'm about. Love game, son's dead, nigga. Stuck in the drought. So I'm stuck in the dark. The darkness with the dark cloud. Come on, son, say it the loudest. Say it like I'm proud of this. Motherfucker, come around the hood, breaking the heart and shit. Come on, son, I'm a good guy. But I know these other outside the niggas see the other side. Come on, son, picture me commit a homicide. The teardrop is the proof, nigga, how I ride. I don't give a fuck, I got nothing to prove, nigga. Yeah, I'm ready to ride, and I'm ready to watch you motherfuckers die. This is damn shame. Listen to this beat, son. Damn, I should have stopped the sing like it's a song, son. You see with the green light, nigga. Come on, dog, but you already know I keep it reckless. Little pistol in the block, boy. The gamers got me fetching these bitches, son, like breathless. But you already know, eat that pussy out. You already know, son. Yeah, it's so nasty, son. Yeah, keep it away from this. It's the motherfucking ruthless kid. You're my son, yeah, that's the truth, that's how I live. Come on, dog, I'm a good guy, young, and I keep it quiet, keep it respectful. But these little niggas and keep crossing the line, son, so now I gotta get reckless on them all. Cause y'all know at the same time, blowing bombs and blowing trucks with them guns in my palms. With my motherfucking gangsters from the motherfucking freestyle unit, mob life set, y'all know it's why I rep. When I do that flag, son, you know that I gotta keep that red. Come on, dog, son, to leave them motherfuckers wet and sweating. Come on, dog, this dripping is threatening. Come on, dog, I do me, nigga. Ain't walk the streets, and I ain't talking sweet. Little niggas, I do what I do, nigga. And I'm watching these niggas creep on me. Come on, dog, look at me, dog. Got the purge mask and got two burners right in the stash, son. Before these little rookie learning niggas don't get me. Come on, dog. I told you I got no sympathy. More baddies, son. I gotta keep them plenty. Come on, dog. Right in my pockets. Right in my pockets. More burners to pop their heads. Come on, son. Think I'm playing around. I'm a grown man, young. That's why I stay with that frown. Who the fuck gonna change it? You can complain if you want, son. I don't give a fuck, nigga. I make it become famous. Like on an article in the newspaper. But you texting on the phone, son. That's how you gonna get the news, son. You gotta get that later. But these motherfuckers that come around, I sing a blues, son, to play me because they one of them haters. Talking about pitch, you gonna grow up, young. You gonna be one of them pimping players. You gonna play them girls. Come on, dog, bro. Look at me, young. The girls are playing me, son. Damn, young. I feel like taking them out of this world, but their time is ticking. Come on, time wasted. Motherfuckers come around, son. I'm about to go pick them quick. It's so easy, son, like a buffet, son, like some chicken. You already know, son, I gotta get them. Got me stuck in the kitchen making sandwiches, son. For them little hoe niggas out in the block. Little niggas that come around, put holes in your brains, boy, when I throw them shots. Think I'm playing son and watch. Watch me, John, dodging cops. Cause y'all already know they ready to fetch me. Put me back behind bars. Come on, son, give me the ketchup, son. Give me the bottle, wipe me squeeze. One more son, put these bitches on their knees, son. Come on, dog, yeah, young baby, please. Come on, son, ain't your baby, young. You already know we freeze up when the guns get picked, young. You already know, son, get them stuck, nigga. I'm so mean with it. Burning the grimiest. Little niggas, the pistols, young from the third ward, nigga, from the county kid. Come on, dog, I'ma count your head when I chop them all, son, down. Put them in the stash, wrap them in blankets. Come on, dog, got them in traps, son, and they all was stinking. Stinking like a motherfucker, like they ain't take baths, huh? Nah, nigga, they smell like death. Cause I got them in net. You already know what the hood, son, little pistol, son. I told y'all niggas I ready for the final match. Come on, dog, the world about to end, son. Yeah, nigga, do you believe that? Or you think I'm still crazy and loony? Like I'm making shit up, son. Come on, talking about God, son. Nah, stop assuming. I don't know what I'm talking about. These little niggas out there, they ain't talking that loud. Listen to them, y'all. They whispering my name. Come on, dog. Put the pistols right in your brain. These little niggas don't get it. Look at me, y'all, with the purse mask. Come on, dog, to get on my nerves, son. About to get them casted. Get them casted. Come on, dog, pass it to the motherfucking castle. Come on, son, about to see you. I'm a king in the brain. I'm a king behind the darkness. I'ma bring you back there, son. And I'ma show you, John, how I show you how I get the spark in heads. Little niggas, I'ma lay them in beds. Lay them out there, son. Don't shots in their wig. I don't give a fuck about it. Yo, been on the block, boy, in the game. I have you bowing, cause I'm the king on the block. But no queen, son, they ain't gonna stop me from doing what I do. So I'm gonna bend on top, like the bitch used to be, young. Talking about being on the cock, being on the dick, son. You know that shit stay black hard. Come on, son, we don't fuck about nothing. Little niggas already know the game is mine, son. You already know, young. The game is not done, it ain't done yet. You already know so many years continuing. This freestyle union music shit is only thing I love on the menu, man. That I'm gonna pick and celebrate with. Motherfucker in the hood, son. Go ahead collect them haters to get them quick behind the gate. Come on, dog. You already know, son. Gotta get them. Trying to call it quit, Lord. It's too late, nigga. You already know how I get no chance, nigga. You already know too. I'm tired of being a good nigga. You already know, son. Land shit, ride, dance and slide. Yeah, nigga, about to pop you in your brains. Come on, son. That love died. That hate still live on. Right in the strong, son. Right in my game, son, but not in my home. Motherfuckers be hating. Come on, son. I'm the kid. The game still waiting. Still debating what the fuck I'ma do when I get you. Catch you in the darkness, you dead. And I swear on that, son. And I hope you heard what the fuck I said, nigga. Boy, tell the feds. And that's all y'all bitch ass niggas do anyway with your little phones wanna tell. Tell them like a fairy tale. Nah, nigga, they snitching. Trying to get me behind bars, behind themselves. Brick walls, you up with no son of little shells. They try to pop me, boy. I'm right here. Come drop me in dog, niggas. I'm a hood nigga. Pistol. 2024, boy, nigga. My nigga that. Yeah, my nigga that. My nigga keep coming back. Keep drags on the track. You already know we dressed in black. We pressing the game, son. Put the strap in their chest. These motherfuckers don't believe niggas in the back. Don't believe me, they're bleeding. These little niggas in the streets, son. Yeah, y'all see me every day of the weekend. Not reading dirty every day. Go to work 3 days. These motherfuckers see me going to Green Valley the other 2 days. This little crazy as shit. Come on, dog, let me in the game, son. I feel like I'm lazy with the rhymes, lazy with the time. I'm blazing out my mind, nigga. Let me get it.